you seen those animal hybrid fusion videos? They're dominating YouTube Shorts right now, racking up millions of views daily. The engagement is off the charts. But here's the twist, 85% of channels in this niche aren't monetized. What? Yes, despite their viral reach, most creators aren't earning a single penny from ads. So why is this happening? What's keeping these channels from joining YouTube's partner program? And most importantly, how can you monetize this niche successfully, even without ads? Stick around, because in this video I'll break it all down. Why these channels aren't monetized, which YouTube guidelines they are breaking, and 6 powerful ways to turn your animal hybrid content into a money-making machine. Plus, I'll even show you a monetized channel in this niche that's earning up to $39,000 per month. If this topic excites you, smash that like button. It helps the channel reach more creators like you. Let's get started. First, let's take a closer look at some of the biggest channels in the animal hybrid niche. Channel 1. This channel boasts over 1 million views per short, featuring stunning animal hybrid content, like superheroes fused with animals. Impressive, right? But when we use a monetization checker, we see it's not monetized. Ads aren't active on this channel. Channel 2. With 304,000 subscribers in just a year and over 100 million views, this channel is exploding with popularity. Yet, there's no sign of ad revenue or a join button. So, what's the big problem? Why aren't these channels cashing in on their success? The answer lies in YouTube's strict monetization guidelines. Let's break them down. Here's the harsh truth. Most animal hybrid content violates YouTube's monetization policies. Many of these channels fall short in 3 critical areas. 1. Reused or repetitive content. YouTube rewards creators who offer unique value. Simply generating AI visuals with tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney and slapping on background music doesn't cut it. Without narration, storytelling, or educational context, these videos are labeled as reused content, a major no-no for monetization. 2. Lack of originality. Let's be honest, a lot of these videos look strikingly similar. That's because creators use repetitive prompts without adding anything transformative. To stand out, you need to elevate your content, add commentary, creative storytelling, or humor to make it unique. 3. Low viewer retention. It's not just about views. For shorts, you need 3 million views in 90 days. For long-form videos, you need 4,000 watch hours in 365 days. But if viewers don't stick around until the end, these milestones can be tough to hit. Now, here's the kicker, there's a channel in this niche that is monetized. Let's take a look at what they're doing differently. This channel was created just 7 months ago and already boasts over 300,000 subscribers. Their videos consistently rack up millions of views. To confirm their monetization status, we'll copy their channel link, paste it into a monetization checker, and there it is, ads are active. According to Social Blade, this channel earns between $2,000 to $39,000 per month.
But how?
It all comes down to originality. Let's watch one of their videos.
Let's look at the horse plus lion hybrid. Let's look at the turtle plus elephant hybrid.
Did you notice? They use voiceovers to narrate their content. Their videos follow a clear storyline with engaging commentary. Each video feels distinct and creative, setting it apart from others in the niche. This proves that originality and creativity are the keys to unlocking monetization. If you agree with me on this, please give this video a like. Now you're probably wondering, if ads aren't an option, how else can I make money with this niche? Don't worry, we're getting there. Let's dive into 6 powerful monetization strategies that can help you turn your content into a profitable venture. By the way, if you've found value so far, hit the subscribe button for more insightful content like this. 6 monetization strategies for animal hybrid content. Channel memberships. Memberships are a fantastic way to monetize your most loyal fans while building a strong community around your content. By offering exclusive perks such as behind-the-scenes content, early access to your videos, or even custom hybrid animal designs based on your viewer suggestions, you can make your audience feel special. To enable memberships, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 3 million shorts views in 90 days. With the high engagement levels in this niche, reaching these milestones is definitely achievable. Super features. YouTube super features are an incredible way to directly engage with your audience while generating revenue. Super Chat allows viewers to pay to have their comments highlighted during your live streams, while Super Stickers let fans send fun, animated stickers as a form of support. With Super Thanks, viewers can even donate directly on uploaded videos to show appreciation for your content. To make the most of this, you could host live streams where viewers suggest hybrid ideas and vote for their favorites. Not only will this boost engagement, but fans will gladly pay through super chats to see their creations brought to life in real time. Sell merchandise with an online shop. Why stop at just creating videos when you can monetize your creativity through a hybrid-themed online shop? From designing and selling t-shirts featuring your AI-generated hybrids to offering high-resolution digital art prints or wallpapers, the possibilities are endless. You could even create unique coloring books that appeal to both kids and adults. With YouTube's merch shelf feature, you can integrate your shop directly under your videos, making it easy for fans to purchase and support your work. This strategy turns your audience's love for your content into tangible income streams. Collaborate with AI companies. AI tools like Leonardo AI, Midjourney, and Pika Labs are constantly looking for creators who can showcase the capabilities of their platforms. Collaborating with these companies can open doors to sponsorships and partnerships, providing a steady stream of income while boosting your channel's credibility. For example, you could host a hybrid animal challenge sponsored by an AI company, where you demonstrate how fans' ideas can be brought to life using their tools. These collaborations are a win-win, as they enhance your channel's content while giving these companies valuable exposure. Brand sponsorships. Many brands, especially those in the tech, gaming, or pet care industries, would be eager to sponsor engaging hybrid animal content. Imagine partnering with a gaming company to promote a game featuring mythical creatures, or a pet care brand sponsoring a video comparing real-life animals to AI-generated hybrids. Positioning your channel as a creative powerhouse in this niche will make it an attractive choice for brands looking to tap into your audience. Sponsorships provide a lucrative way to monetize without relying on YouTube ads. Post on other platforms. Diversifying your content beyond YouTube can open up even more opportunities to earn. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok have lower barriers to entry and are often easier to monetize. For example, an Instagram page with over 1 million followers can earn upwards of $10,000 per month through sponsorships and merch sales. By repurposing your hybrid videos for these platforms, you not only expand your reach but also create additional income streams. Now you know why most hybrid animal channels aren't monetized, and how to turn this niche into a profitable venture. If this guide was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know which monetization method you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.